أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم SILA 2020 plans CSS 20 weeks PMS 20 weeks Judiciary 20 weeks M English 20 weeks IELTS 10 weeks Creative Writing 10 weeks Life Skills A1 4 weeks English MDCAT 20 days Interview 20 days Day-to-day English conversation 100 hours OA levels 16 weeks Skill to read the Holy Quran 100 days Translation of the Holy Quran 30 weeks English Conversation Part 14. We young scholars, we are going to revise module number 1 today. How many formats are there? 12 formats are there. And you know that the next module shall be discussed if you perform well. Otherwise, तुसा अपने घर, मैं अपने घर. You won't be allowed to participate to become the part of tomorrow's session if you perform poorly. God forbid. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Maqsood. Have a look at the time now. It's 2:30 p.m. No.
I take breakfast from 7 to 7:30 a.m.
From 7 to 7:30 a.m. What does he do?
He takes breakfast from 7 to 7:30.
Excellent. Mr. Maqsood says that he takes breakfast from 7 to 7:30 a.m. daily.
Yes, sir.
This is your routine?
Yes, sir.
No, including Sundays.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Now your test starts. From 7 to 7:30 a.m. tomorrow.
He will take breakfast
Excellent. How can you say that?
because he takes breakfast from 7 to 7:30 daily.
Excellent. Mr. Jawad, how are you?
I'm good.
You know this man?
Yes, sir.
You know his routine?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Today, from 7 to 7:30 a.m. MDCAT, I love you, my daughter. What?
He took
He took breakfast. Excellent. There can be no other answer. He took breakfast. How can you say that?
because he takes breakfast from 7 to 7:30 a.m.
What does he start at 7 a.m.? He starts
He start breakfast.
his breakfast. What does he finish at 7:30 a.m.?
He finishes breakfast.
He finishes his breakfast.
Yeah.
What does he do from 7 to 7:30 a.m. daily?
He takes his breakfast from 7 to 7:30 a.m.
He takes breakfast from
Breakfast.
7 to 7:30 a.m.
Yes.
Points clear?
Yes.
He has a sister now in the same house. His sister saw him today at 7:10 a.m. Points clear?
Yes,
You're your sister, I'm
Yes,
sure.
sir.
She lives with you over there in the
Yes,
same
sir.
house, no?
At that time, he was taking his breakfast
Love you, my son. How can you say that?
because he takes his breakfast from 7 to 7:30 a.m.
Excellent. I can say so because he takes breakfast at that time. Tomorrow at 7:15 a.m.
He will be taking breakfast
Excellent. How can you say that?
because he starts his breakfast at 7 and finishes it at 7:30.
Very good. You say that tomorrow at 7:15 a.m. he will be taking breakfast. What's clear? And you also know that he starts his breakfast at 7. What's clear? Since when?
He will have been taking breakfast since 7 a.m.
How can you say that?
because he starts at 7 a.m.
Excellent. At 7:15 he will be taking his breakfast. For how long?
He will have been taking breakfast for 16 minutes
Love you, my daughter. How can we believe in it?
because he starts eating at 7 a.m.
Okay?
and it's 7:15, so
Okay.
we can say that
Excellent. And it makes
16 minutes.
At 7:10 a.m. today, what was he doing? He was taking breakfast when his sister saw him. It was 7:10, and at that time he was taking breakfast. Since when?
He had been taking breakfast since 7 a.m.
Love you, my son, Mr. Shah. Mr. Shah, how can we say that? Please.
Because he starts taking
Excellent,
breakfast
because we know that he starts his breakfast at 7. And today, when his sister saw him, he was eating or he was taking breakfast. And he had started his breakfast at 7. Is clear or not? At 7:10, he was taking breakfast. For how long?
He had been taking breakfast for 11 minutes.
Minutes. Any one of you? He had been taking breakfast for 11 minutes. How can we say that? This morning, I contacted him and it was 7:31 a.m. What was the time? What happened at 7:31 a.m.? Excellent, beta. I called him. By that time, love you, sir. जाने मैं जलना जाने मैं जड़ दिमाग है जी. He's genius. You can't imagine. You got the answer? By 7:31 a.m. today, he had taken breakfast. How can we say that? Because he finishes before that. He finishes at 7:30. Tomorrow at 7:20 a.m.
He will be taking
Love
breakfast.
you, my son. Since when?
Will have been taking breakfast since 7 a.m.
Love you, my son. He will have been taking breakfast since 7. How can we say that?
Because he starts breakfast at 7 a.m.
This is the point, beta. We can say so because we know that he starts his breakfast at 7. Point is clear? Yes. For how long? He will have been taking breakfast for 21 minutes. How can we say that? And so on. 7:20, it makes 21 minutes. Right now, at this time, what is this man doing?
He is giving presentation now.
Very good, better now. Since when?
He has been giving presentation since 2:30
I
p.m.
love you, my son. How can you say that he has been giving his presentation since
2:30
2:30? How can you say that?
because started
Very good. At
30
2:30.
p.m.
This was intention. How can you say that?
because he started his presentation at 2:30 p.m.
Love you, my son. For how long?
He has been giving presentation for 28 minutes
How can you say that?
because 27 or 2:30 20.
Because he started at 2:30 and it's 2:57. No. It makes 28 minutes. So we can say that he has been giving his presentation for 28 minutes. You ready for the next round? I'm sure your concepts are clear, mashallah. Now your turn. What is that? It's you to ask questions. Where's the mic? Ji beta, first question. Ji.
Do you drive?
Yes, I drive.
Excellent. What does he do?
He drives.
Excellent. Now, the next question, now it's over to you. You will change this one. It can be did, it can be will, and so on. I'm sure you got the point, no? The first one, what? What type of, and then there is, ready? Do you eat?
Yes, I eat.
What did you eat today?
I had chicken today.
I ate. Which food do you like to eat the most?
I like the biryani most.
And you can go for that one more question that is very simple now. Who? V1. Who and V2. And then there is, this question is very, very important now. You ate chicken biryani today. Who made it? Who made it?
My sister made it.
When do you eat your lunch?
I eat my lunch from 1 to 32.
Who makes it?
My sister makes it.
Are you learning something these days?
Yes, I'm learning.
What are you learning?
I'm learning English communication skills these days.
Who teaches you?
Mr. Rafi teaches me.
Where are you learning these days?
I'm learning at Silla.
Excellent. No. When did you join Silla?
I joined Silla on 25th January.
Okay. Since when have you been learning English at Silla?
I have been learning English Silla since 25 January.
Very good. At Silla. How long have you been learning English
I have
at Silla for?
I have been learning English at Silla for 2 months.
How much time have you spent over there?
I have spent almost 2 months here.
What did you learn from that platform?
I learned most of skills at here.
Okay. What kind of skill have you developed so far?
I have many skills.
What is clear, sir? First question.
Do you read?
Yes, I read.
What do you read?
I read current affair books.
You read the books on current affairs. Ji.
Whom do you read with?
I read with none.
Where do you read?
I read in my bedroom.
What do you read for?
I read for the current situations of the world.
How do you read?
I read attentively.
Why do you read?
I read to get the information about the world.
Whose research regarding current affairs do you like?
Whose research? What research? Whose research regarding the current affairs do you like? I like
What kind of research are you?
reading these days. Excellent, beta. What kind of research, are you reading these days? Ji.
I am reading about the history
History.
of Pakistan.
When did you start it?
I started on 25th of January.
Okay.
How often
do you read?
I read 6 days a week.
I always read it. No. I read it twice a day. I read it 6 days a week.
When do you start reading?
I start reading at 9 a.m.
Excellent. And when did you finish this reading?
I finish my reading at 12 p.m.
How much time do you spend in this reading?
I spent 3 hours.
Excellent. No, did you read something today?
Oh, no, I didn't read.
Excellent. Loves you, my son. Who recommended you to read these books? Loves you, my son. The toughest thing in the world is to ask question. Develop that habit, please. Who recommended you to read these books?
Mr. Rafi recommended me these books.
How did you find these books?
These books are very...
I found these books very useful.
Yes.
What did you learn from these books?
I learned some of the history of Pakistan affair.
What will you do with this history?
I will give the exam in the CSI.
Excellent. And what kind of result, you ready? What kind of result do you expect?
I expect the good result.
Excellent. Now, what will the good result give to you?
The good result will give me success.
Excellent. Who will appreciate you?
Everyone will appreciate.
Excellent. Now, whose appreciation
Will.
you like the most?
I will like the
Appreciation of Mr. Rafi the most. Why will you like his appreciation the most?
because he is my trainer.
Points clear? No, let's move forward now. It's you to keep his answer in your mind. I will make you narrate his answers. He tells that he reads. He tells that he reads the books on the current affairs. He tells us that he started reading books when Mr. Rafi suggested those books to him. He tells us that he found those books very useful. Points clear? Over? You people know while listening to him now. And you came to know about so many things. Let me know about the activities which he carries out. Know along with words, whens, wheres, whose, which, and so on. Ready?
He reads books regarding current affairs.
He watches a comedy program.
He spent almost 1 hour watching.
Excellent.
He takes different information from the current affairs.
I make blunder. She follows me.
Mr. Makhsoos tells us that he watches these programs at night.
He watches these programs with his father.
He watches only one program.
He is watching only one program these days.
He apologizes when he makes mistakes.
Now clear. And I stop the people when they make mistake.
He watches comedy programs for entertainment.
Excellent. He gets knowledge from these programs, and this knowledge now will help him in the exams. Clear how that he will qualify the exams, and Mr. Rafi will appreciate him, and this is appreciation which he will like the most.
He found the books based on current affairs very useful.
Excellent. He found them all very useful. Ji. Ready? I will just name something, and it's you to talk about your behavior towards that thing. What do you do with that? Ready? And you will narrate. I will name something, and it's you to tell what you do with that. Point is clear? Book.
I did it.
Miss Fatima says that she reads book.
Ji, book.
I get information from it.
Very good, beta. You get information from it. Ji.
Miss Amna says that she gets information from the book.
Information.
I try to comprehend it.
Excellent, beta. Ji. Wafa.
Miss Wafa says that she tries to comprehend it.
Excellent. Ji.
I get knowledge and entertainment from the book.
Very good, beta. Ji. Tehreem.
Miss Tareem says that she gets knowledge and entertainment from it. Mr. Khabar says that he gets many ideas from it.
Excellent. Ji.
Mr. Sanaullah says that he reads different stories from it.
I take guidance from the book.
Mr. Jawad says that he takes guidance from it.
I highlight the main topic.
Mr.
Mr.
Madani.
Madani says that he highlights the main points.
मैं तो नेड़े कभी किसी दिन नहीं होया यार इससे प्यार है ना
Mr. Shukla says that he gets life skills from it.
बाकी फर्क पड़ गया यार
Mr. Ikma Shah says that he notes the main points from it.
I read book to develop my confidence.
Very good. Ji.
Miss Amna says that she reads the books to develop her confidence.
Excellent. Ji. We shall know that revise it with some addition. When? Tomorrow.